horizontal line test to check if a function is one-to-one. So recall, one way to check whether a graph represents a function is whether it passes the vertical line test. The vertical line test just said that we should be able to draw vertical lines straight down like this, up and down, vertical, and it should only pass at one point. So if we look at the first graph here, and we draw as many vertical lines as we want, we see that it's always going to just pass at one point. So this one does represent a function. Looking at the second graph, we could do the same. And I see that no matter what vertical lines I draw, they all seem to pass at exactly one point. So again, this graph also represents a function. But in order for a function to be one-to-one, it must also pass the horizontal line test. Similar to the vertical line test, all you do is draw horizontal lines. And horizontal lines should only pass through exactly one point in order for it to be a one-to-one function. And we see for my first function, since we both determined that these are both functions, we see no matter how many horizontal lines I draw, I pass at exactly one point. So this graph does represent a one-to-one function. Let's check the second graph. Here, here. Thus, this graph, although it does represent a function, it is not a one-to-one function.